Okay, so now we're going to hop over to a couple of the information sections. So acronyms here, when you're on these big programs and you're working within an organization that's bringing in lots of team members, either from outside or from within the organization, it's amazing to see the jargon people use just as a part of their normal conversations, and they don't realize that new people may not understand some of those. So I've put in a number of various different acronyms or even just sort of terminology. And so really quickly, easily, like always, you could use this on your phone, on your tablet, or on your desktop. So if I just type in, I start typing, it automatically does the search for the acronym. But maybe I want to search more than just the acronym. Maybe I want to search the detailed description. So now I can go in and just sort of say, give me anything that has project in it. It's going to go back and it's going to search every single thing that has project in it, which is a fair amount. So when you go in here, if you did want to go off to the PMI, then that hyperlink would take you directly to see a little bit more detail. So quick and easy way to make sure that people have access to all the acronyms.